What if I told you that changing your life doesn't require huge effort? It doesn't require waking up at 4 a.m. every day, and it definitely doesn't require extreme discipline. In fact, some of the most successful people in the world improve their lives using actions that take less than 1 minute. Yes, less than 60 seconds. These tiny actions are called micro habits. And by the end of this video, you'll understand how small habits can slowly transform your productivity, your mindset, and even your entire life. Everyone wants to improve their life. We imagine becoming more successful, more focused, and more disciplined. We picture a future version of ourselves who wakes up early, works hard, stays healthy, and achieves big goals. So we start making big plans. We promise ourselves that tomorrow everything will change. Tomorrow we will wake up earlier. Tomorrow we will exercise. Tomorrow we will study harder. Tomorrow we will stop wasting time. And for a few days, everything feels exciting. We feel motivated, we feel inspired, we feel ready to change, but then something strange happens. Slowly, the motivation disappears. The goals that once felt exciting suddenly start feeling heavy. Waking up early becomes difficult, studying feels exhausting, working on our goals feels overwhelming, and before we even realize it, we slowly fall back into our old habits, scrolling on our phones, procrastinating, delaying important tasks, and repeating the same cycle again and again. So the real question is, why does this happen to almost everyone? Most people believe the problem is laziness, but the real problem is something very different. The problem is that our brains resist big change. Whenever we try to suddenly change everything in our life, our brain sees it as a threat. Large tasks feel overwhelming, big goals feel stressful, and when something feels overwhelming, the brain naturally tries to avoid it. This is why most big plans fail, not because people are lazy, but because the plan itself is too big for the brain to accept. But here's the interesting part. Tiny actions don't trigger this resistance. Small actions feel easy, they feel safe, they feel manageable, and that is exactly where micro habits come in. Micro habits are extremely small actions that require almost no effort. They are so simple that it's almost impossible to fail. For example, reading just one page of a book, doing just one push-up, writing just one sentence, or taking 1 minute to breathe and relax. These actions might look tiny, they might even seem meaningless, but in reality, they create something incredibly powerful, something called momentum. Momentum is what turns small actions into big results. When you repeat a small habit every day, your brain slowly becomes familiar with it. The action stops feeling difficult. It stops feeling uncomfortable. And eventually, it becomes automatic. You don't need motivation anymore. You don't need to force yourself. Your brain simply follows the routine. And that is how habits slowly shape your life. Not through dramatic change overnight, but through tiny improvements repeated every single day. The first powerful strategy is called the 2-minute rule. Many people fail because they try to do too much at once. They try to study for 3 hours, exercise for an hour, or completely change their routine overnight. But the brain hates sudden large changes. So instead, start with just 2 minutes. If you want to study, read just one paragraph. If you want to exercise, do 2 push-ups. If you want to write, write one simple sentence. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is starting, because starting removes the biggest obstacle, resistance. Once you begin, the task becomes easier. 2 minutes often turn into 10 minutes. 10 minutes turn into 30 minutes. And slowly the habit becomes natural. This is why the hardest step is always the first step. The second powerful strategy is environment design. Your environment influences your behavior far more than motivation. Think about it. If your phone is always next to you while studying, you will keep checking it again and again. Every notification breaks your focus. Every distraction steals your attention, and slowly your productivity disappears. But if you place your phone in another room, suddenly focusing becomes much easier. The same rule applies to many habits. A messy desk creates distraction. A clean desk encourages focus. If junk food is always visible, you will eventually eat it. But if healthy food is easy to reach, you will naturally make better choices. Your environment silently shapes your behavior every single day. So instead of relying on motivation, design your environment to support your goals. Because when the environment supports your habits, discipline becomes much easier. The third powerful strategy is called habit stacking. Habit stacking means connecting a new habit with an existing habit. Your brain already remembers the old habit, so the new habit becomes easier to remember. For example, after brushing your teeth, read one page of a book. After drinking your morning coffee, write down your daily goals. After finishing dinner, study for 5 minutes. By connecting habits together, you create a natural routine, and soon your brain begins to expect the habit automatically. You don't need reminders, you don't need motivation, you simply follow the routine. This is how successful people build powerful systems in their life. Most people spend their lives waiting for motivation. They wait until they feel ready. They wait until they feel inspired. But successful people don't rely on motivation. They rely on systems and habits. They take small actions every single day, and those small actions slowly grow. Just like a tiny seed planted in the ground. At first, nothing seems to happen, but over time, the seed grows into a plant, and eventually, that plant becomes a strong tree. Habits work exactly the same way. Small actions grow into powerful results, so don't try to change your entire life overnight. Start with one small habit today, one tiny action right now, repeat it every day, and slowly, your life will begin to transform. Because tiny habits can completely change your life.